and now we already have one impulse. Now the gold is making, of course, a retest. Believe me, gold, we are expecting total to draw up 1000 pips, but I don't believe that gold can break this level, guys. Here is a strong area, you know. Here is a strong area, so if it's retested in here, then of course we are selling, but our first target will be this 500. And good morning guys, it is me, Zubeyr here, and today we are going again to analyze the market. And guys, I will give you the latest updates about the market. As you know, yesterday it was 3rd January 2024. We analyzed it, gold and some of other pairs. And guys, let me show you an really interesting about gold. As you see here, gold, we were so close to hit our target, which is 500 pips. So guys, now total we closed gold 476 pips, which is quite amazing. Before it hit our target number, now you can see it went pull back, which is 177 pips. But guys, you can see the lovely structure of gold. And I told you 2 days ago, gold is it is so hard to break this area. This is the point where we took our entry. So, and you can see how amazing it went our direction. So I told you, always believe your analysis, and this shows the power of trend line. And really, so also I want to show you other pairs that has coloration with gold. You can see, guys, how amazing silver also dropped as well. So you can see how amazing also silver dropped. Also we have a gold JPY as well, but as you can see, due to JPY index we were expecting on sell, so this one it make a large correction in here. So it did continue with a large coloration, but silver is the main pair that has 100% coloration with gold. So that's why gold JPY still remained in correction. So now, guys, I want also to show you and give you an update about, we also analyze it NZD, and you can see Euro NZD how amazing is going to, now it's almost near to our target, which is 167 pips. So if I show you NZD index, guys, you can see here, you can see the structure. We have this trend line, and you can see NZD is going in our direction, which is a buy. So our target will be this blue line, that our 9th rule. So that's why Euro NZD now is still remaining sell direction, which is quite lovely structure. This is a pure market structure. So let me show you other pairs that we analyze it, guys. We also analyze it JPY, and we tell that, let me first show you JPY index. You can see JPY index, guys. We said yesterday, if it didn't break, because here we had an ascending channel, and you can see how amazing it also dropped in a sell direction. So, and it's still we are expecting this pair to reach again this area, which is our 90 rule. So really JPY Paris is giving a pure structure. So you can see here, we tell that after it breaks this trend line USD JPY, we will hold until this area, which is 428 pips. So this is amazing. This is amazing. All the pp's we are getting is more than 200 pp's, so this is quite amazing. Another pair that we analyzed yesterday was JPB JPY. So as you can see, JPB JPY and USD JPY, all of them are same structure, but you can see already JPB JPY hit our target, which is 209 pp's. Guys, what I am telling you is less than 24 hour, all of these pairs. This is the reality of Forex market, guys. Like if you add all the pp's that we catch it till yesterday, it's almost 1000 pp's. Like this is amazing, guys. So this is the powerful strategy that I'm using, guys, which is market structure, and I'm using as well trend line, based on trend line. So another pairs that we looked yesterday was as well JPB USD. But guys, if you see, I told you yesterday, if JPB USD break this 9th rule and retest it, then we will take it in a sell position. But it didn't happen. Now still it's going a little here for pi, which is almost 77 pp's, but still I'm expecting JPY, if they hit here, to drop again, which is last before our target. So also Euro JPY also remained pi direction yesterday, and you can see here, which is almost same as JBB JPY and USD JPY. So guys, this is a pure structure, and really the most amazing structure we had is gold, which gives us 500 pp's. So, and now you can see, if you watch our previous videos, you can see how we analyze it. And yep, we are 2024, guys, and we will continue our journey, and I will give you update every single chance, the opportunity that I show in the market. Keep in touch on our Telegram channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.